Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. So if you're not already subscribed here, make sure to subscribe here so you can check out some of my older videos and older content. Also make sure to head on over to my new channel and subscribe there. Link in the description box where I kind of do vlogs and talk a little more and things like that. I don't really update on this channel. I'm updating to tell you guys all about my store, but I really don't update on this channel. So if you want more like updates and what I'm doing now and things like that, make sure to subscribe to my new channel. But also you can make sure to subscribe here just so you can check out those older videos and get all of the educational content that you have been looking for. So I am here to talk all about my Etsy business. So I started an Etsy store for us sonographers and kind of X-ray students as well. I wanted to create something geared toward the students and then kind of branch off into the actual career fields and things like that later on. So we're just getting started with the Etsy store, but I want you guys to head on over, shop the Etsy store. The first two products that I have out right now are for digital planning for ultrasound students, as well as a printable clinic checklist that you can take with you to clinic or also use in your digital planner and create something there. So let's first talk about the digital planning stickers. So I got into digital planning probably last year. Found a YouTuber that uses a digital planner, fell in love with digital planning. I was always the type of person who would like get these physical planners, buy the stickers for them, have everything so cute, and by month 2 I wasn't even updating it anymore. So I definitely would fall off every year, and I would purchase expensive planners, like they'd be $40, and I'd buy like $10, $15 worth of all these different stickers and washi tapes and different cute stuff, and then would never use it. So when I got into digital planning, I loved digital planning. I love it, one, because usually it is not numbered by date, so you can continuously use it. If you want to just buy the same one again or erase it all and start over, you definitely can do that. Or if you want to download the digital planner again, you can use the same digital planner for the next year. I love them because they are interactive and you're able to like click on a date. You click on the date, it opens up, you have your to-do list for the day, you have all the different stuff you need to do. The digital planner that I use, I will link down below, and hopefully I'll be able to create one geared towards sonography and x-ray, imaging students soon, but we haven't worked on that quite yet. So I will tell you guys which planner that I use and have used down below. But with that being said, love digital planning, but it's really hard to find stuff geared toward us ultrasound students or sonography, x-ray students, imaging students in general. So what I've done is created some stickers geared toward sonography or ultrasound students. So this is the first product that I've created. Of course, I'm going to create some more down the line, but the first product that you can shop right now are all of my ultrasound stickers, or my digital stickers for ultrasound. So things such as like marking your clinic days, marking your scan practice, marking your competencies and things like that. Things that we would have as ultrasound or x-ray students. Well, we'll focus on ultrasound. So things that we would have as sonography students, I have created digital stickers for you to use in your planner geared toward school as a sonographer. So I'm really hoping that's going to be extremely helpful for you guys, because you can't walk into Walmart and find ultrasound stickers for your planner. It's not gonna happen. We're pretty niche, So I wanted to create something for you guys and for our ultrasound and sonography students. Use synonymously, ultrasound, sonography, everybody. So I wanted to create something for us that we can using our digital planners to just help us be more organized. Another thing that I have created already is a clinic checklist. You're able to put the competencies you want, competencies you need. You're able to put the things that you like to bring to clinic. There's a page for notes. There's a page for just your straight up checklist. Just making things a lot easier. That can be used in your digital planner if you use GoodNotes, and basically GoodNotes is the program that you will use your digital planner on mostly, and you're able to upload that as well and fill in your checklist, put the date at the top, change it every day. You can continuously use it, but you can also print it if you need to. That is a printable. So if you don't want to use it in GoodNotes and you want to actually physically print it out, take notes while you're at clinic, write in what you want to bring, and it just makes you feel better to like physically be able to like write on it, you are able to print that out, which that is amazing, right? So those are the two products that I have right now. I want to give you guys a little bit of a visual on how these look within inside of the digital planner and how you can use it. Yeah. So here is a look at my digital planner. So before we get started with the stickers, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview on how digital planning works. I talked about how it's very interactive, very user-friendly. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick look on what I mean by that. So if you take a look here, this is the classic planner, and I will link it down below in the description box. And if you go to the next page, you can see at the very top that there are these icons in the top right corner. These are your interactive buttons, as well as the January, February, March, and all of the labels across the side as well. So if you click on the home button, it gives you a bunch of options for digital planning. Grocery list, meal planner, meal ideas, recipe log, a brain dump, a packing list, a trip itinerary, password tracker. Anything you can name of, it's pretty much listed here. So if I go to grocery list at the top, you get this really nice grocery list. And as you see, under deli, I've already written ham, and under drinks, I've written lemonade and whatever else that you want to buy at the store. And if you click over here, you can see this little plus icon in the page. If you click on that, you can add another page. So it adds the exact same template. So the next time that you want to go grocery shopping, you now have the list you already created previously, and you can even date it at the top. Say this is your grocery list. So I'm going to go ahead and write January 21st, since that's what today is. So January 21st, 2023. And this is the grocery list for this date. Okay. And then I can go to our new page that we created, and I can say this is for next week's groceries. Okay, so instead of the 21st, let's do the 28th. So January 28th, 2023. And this is next week's grocery list or whatever. Okay, so that's kind of how it works with the digital planning. You go to the heart, even more things: habit tracker, mood tracker, sleep tracker. There is a reading log, book title, author, date, rating of the book. Really nice planning options. Over here where you see this weight, you open that, health log, hydration tracker, steps, workouts, progress, period tracker, symptom tracker, progress page, things like that. You go to money, we have order tracker, wish list, subscriptions, afterpay tracker, which is pretty helpful, expense tracker, bills, debt tracker, things like that. So if you click on the debt tracker, debt or the date, amount, the balance, notes, the creditor, the credit type, all these things to kind of help you stay organized. Over here, you have a productivity, to-do list, a vision board, project planning, goal tracker. There's literally so many things, and it's so interactive. So now let's take a look at how we can use these digital stickers. So head on over to March. This is a month that I have not planned for. Now this planner in particular does have 2023 on here, but a lot of the planners don't have a year, which is what I mentioned earlier, so they can be reused yearly. But this one right here, I'd have to repurchase with 2024, but they're not very expensive, so it's really not a big deal, and a lot less expensive than an actual physical planner that has like all these different features. This planner was less than $20 and has so many more options for planning than a paper planner or a planner that you would have in your hands. So as you can see here, this is March of 2023, and I'm just going to act like I am an ultrasound student. So I'm going to go ahead and go up here where I can put in my own little tidbits, and up here where there's star signal, it's going to open up where I can use my digital stickers. So as you see here, they're ultrasound digital stickers, and I'm just going to scroll through and just see what I can use to properly plan. So let's say it's the end of the year. We're really just making this up. So the end of the year and the semester ends here. We can go ahead and put that. Semester's over. Okay. We can go back in here. Let's see what else that we can add. Maybe, let's see. Maybe on Friday, I want to do a little bit of scan practice. So I can go ahead and put that sticker here, and then I can customize it. I can come up here to text, add a text box, and maybe I want to do scan practice from 5, maybe I need a night shift. Let's do 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, so I'm going to take that. I'm going to highlight it. Oops, we're doing a lot here. I'm going to take this. Well, let me copy it. Hold on, y'all. So I'm going to take 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm just going to change the font to a font that I like. I love the marker felt font. So I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to, should be able to move it. It's doing some jumping right now because I'm using my Apple Pencil. So bear with me. Okay, so I'm just going to move this, and I'm going to put this right here. I'm just going to get rid of that little period right there. So 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. on Friday, March 3rd, I am going to do scan practice. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in. I go through my stickers. What else? Let's see. Now, maybe on Tuesday, it's going to be clinic day for me. So I have clinic on Tuesdays. So I can go ahead and mark that. I can also put a time in there if I would like to do that as well. Maybe I've been at clinic for a while and they really like me, okay? They love me. So now I have a job interview. So I'm going to go through, and maybe on the 15th I have a job interview, and I'll do the exact same thing. We can put a time here. Maybe at, let's do 9 a.m. Okay? So you have to bear with me, you guys, while I do like because me and this Apple Pencil today are not getting along. So yeah, so we're going to copy this favorite font here and move it over, or maybe I want it to be up top. So I'm going to grab it. Goodness. It's not wanting to work with me. Okay, so up here. I want to do it like this time. So at 9 a.m. I have a job interview on March 15th, okay? So let's say job interview went amazingly well, okay? So now, let's see. What do we have for that? So looking through our images, and we have job orientation because we did a good job. So starting this Monday, on the 9th, on the 15th, we had our job interview, went great, offered us the job on the 16th, said, could you start on Monday? And bam, here we are on Monday with job orientation. So as you can see, these stickers are very helpful when it comes to planning, especially as an ultrasound student. We have class orientation as well. Say we're just getting started. So on the 1st is the first day of this class. Maybe you have a school that does like physics at one point and they do like different orientations. So say the next class that you're taking is for OB. So this is our OB class orientation day, and we can write this. We can write the times and different things like that. Okay, so this is kind of how it would work using our ultrasound or my ultrasound digital stickers. And there's just some fun ones in there that you can use as well. Maybe you have to take your registry. Maybe you are doing echo. So here's a nice little heart echocardiography registry. So you've already planned to take your registry on a Saturday, because that's when I took all mine on the weekends. And you can put it right here. You have echocardiography registry, and you can put the time and different things like that. I have all the registries listed. Or maybe it is time for a vacation. Okay, so maybe it is, let's go with what are we, winter is something. Well, let's go with the winter break. Maybe we're having a winter break. We have this really cute winter break sticker with the ultrasound icon and some things for the winter, and winter break starts down here, so I can put winter break. So this right here is kind of how you would run with our digital stickers, or with my digital stickers. So I hope this was very helpful in you guys seeing kind of how you can use the ultrasound digital stickers. And you can go into each date on these digital planners as well. Just a little tutorial. If it's clinic day and I click on the actual 7, gives me a nice, well thought out, organized plan for the day. Schedule, priorities, main focus, to-do list, every single thing you need. And you can also go in here and use some of your digital stickers here as well. If you wanted to add a little cute ultrasound icon, anywhere up in here just to make it cute and fun, you can do that as well.
So I really hope that gave you a great just example of how these digital stickers can be used, how the clinic checklist can be used, and just how helpful it's going to be for you to just stay organized while you're in school. I think staying organized is like the biggest flex ever. Staying organized is going to make you have just your grades are going to be better. You're going to be at a clearer headspace. Things are just going to come a lot easier for you when you're organized. So I want you guys to just head on over to my Etsy store, shop the stickers, shop the clinic checklist, and I want you guys to put down below what are some other items that you would like to see in the Etsy store. I am on a mission to make clinic life just so much easier for you guys. So if there's some other sticker that you haven't seen that I didn't create but would help you and like marking those days off on your calendar, put that down below so I can create a sticker for that for you. And all you give me is like 1 or 2 stickers, then I'll make the prices like 99 cents or something. I'm not gonna make them, you know, crazy. But if you guys give me a lot of sticker ideas, I'll put together another sticker sheet and maybe sell it for $5 or something like that. But yeah, so down below, I need you guys to let me know if there are stickers not included in my set that you guys would like to see. I need you to let me know what I can create that would be helpful for you as a student. I'm here to make your life easier. So if I want to make sure this Etsy store is geared toward helping you with your organization, with your study habits, with the things that you need. So I need you to tell me what you need, because I don't know. So let me know if my clinic list is sufficient for you, or if you want another clinic checklist with, you know, something different. I need you guys to give me feedback so I can make sure that my Etsy store is geared toward your success. Okay? So go ahead, check out my Etsy store. Make sure to shop the digital stickers. Please, please comment down below, because I need your help to make sure that I can be of help to you. So comment, comment, comment. Love you so much. Check out my other channel, and I'll see you guys later.